G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn & Watson. We're just going to run through today one of our slide out under tray toolboxes. These are sold by the pair, but we're just going to grab one for the video. So these are made from 3mm aluminium. They're fully welded in our Brisbane workshops. This is a Dunn & Watson Australian made product we're very proud of. You're going to see here that you get a chrome whale tail with it. This handle is both key locking and padlocking. You're going to see here that it has a compression feature on it. So essentially as I pull that down, it pulls the drawer in tight. And what that's doing is making sure you get engaging a good solid seal with the rubber gasket on this drawer. Just making sure you have nice protection from the weather. So these are our slide out boxes. So as you see, you get ample storage inside. You have a full rubber gasket on the outside. These operate on our 125 kilo slides. So these can easily take 50, 60 kilos, which is more than you can even fit in a drawer of this size. So you can cram this drawer and have confidence it'll carry that weight. Shuts like so. So there you have it, the Dunn & Watson slide out toolboxes. If you have any questions, please give us a call or flick us an email.